Guys, welcome to the Wolf once again, and I'm back today with 3 analysis. Very perfect and very good trading opportunity is coming, and so do watch till the end. Let's find out what are those opportunities. So first, as usual, I'm on the Bitcoin daily time frame chart with a perfect analysis this time. So just a quick recap that I hope you know, this is a very important resistance zone here, the purple box, and then this support zone right here, or we can call this an order block also, where whenever the price came here we saw a massive buying from here, as you can see over here, this, and when the price break it out to the upside, then this. So right now the price is going to the $30,000 level to complete its target once again here, but I don't think so that it will sustain the $30,000 level. It will for sure come down only, and why I'm saying that is because first of all we can clearly see the price is right now in an uptrend, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So the price, there are chances that the price now will come down to create a new higher low, which can be somewhat over here also at this level that I have already drawn. This is the same exact level that we all took trade last time. Perfect 10% move captured. So yeah, this is it. Right now the price is trying to break this zone. So let me tell you that if the Bitcoin price breaks this purple and white main resistance zone to the upside with a perfect retest, then only I will confirm that okay, now the price has break this out and now it will continue to go higher. But till then I'm still bearish only on the Bitcoin price. And not only this, but let me show you one more thing. As you all can see, today Monday's candle has opened a gap up. That means that this candle has a gap in between, so there are chances that the price can come again down to fill this gap right here. And not only this, but there is also one left behind gap over here also. As you closely see that this gap is also not filled. So these are some of my Confluence or some of my indications that are indicating that the price can come all the way down till here, this level, which is at approx I can say $27,000 of level. And if you rewind the video and you see the white color minor support was also somewhere approx this level only. So that's why I am right now for the shorter term pretty bearish for the Bitcoin price, that it can come down. Okay, so coming to the Stellar's chart right now. So the people who are watching my videos for quite some time know that I am looking for an opportunity on this trade, on Stellar's trade. Stellar was in a falling wedge in a downtrend, and now the falling wedge has given a perfect breakout to the upside. The price is right now stuck in this main golden zone, you can say the main resistance zone right here. And I already told you that if the price of Stellars breaks this zone to the upside, then only I will enter in a long position. There are chances that it may not give a retest, it can directly break out to the upside also. But guys, this is the main rule of trading, that always enter with a perfect setup and a confirmation. If the price of Stellars continue to rise higher and higher directly, then I will not enter. If you all want to enter, then yes, you can do your own analysis as well, and for sure you can do it, but I will wait for a confirmation or perfect retest, then only I will enter. And also let me show you that why I am bullish on Stellar. So here, look closely. I'm on the weekly time frame right now, and we can clearly see the price was in a heavy downtrend, and on the weekly time frame we can see the price has formed a tweezer bottom pattern. This is a candlestick pattern in which two candles are involved, So these types of pattern are bullish patterns and a reversal pattern. So this indicates that now the price can go to the upside with the perfect momentum of the bulls. So let's see what happens, and I told you the trade logic and when I'll enter the trade, and obviously my take profit will be here first, this purple zone right here at approx I can say 0.1287. Okay, so right now I'm on the Chainlink's chart, and yes, I found a very good opportunity here also. I missed the opportunity, but the price action was gave a direct breakout, so I couldn't find a perfect entry to trade here. So Chainlink's price is right now was in a parallel channel, as you can see, this main resistance and this main support right here. So the price gave a perfect huge bullish breakout to the upside here. So what I am expecting is that obviously I'll wait for a retest to enter, because we can clearly see the volume is very high in this candle right here. This one volume is very high, so let's see. There are chances that the price can give a retest, or it can continue to go higher and higher. If you want to trade, you can trade, but do trade with proper risk and money management as well. Also do your own analysis. The target is over here, I would say, at this blue box at approx $16.749. This main resistance right here, major resistance. Coming to the daily time frame of Chainlink, we can clearly see the price gave a perfect breakout with huge volume candles. So I mean, yes, we can trade here also, but I missed this trade also because I did not find a good setup to trade here. So yeah, just I thought that to inform you guys. But if we see a good setup, if I find a good opportunity to trade on a reversal or on a retest, then I'll definitely make a video or inform you all on my Twitter as well. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand the 3 major trade opportunities coming and can come in the future, and how to trade according to them. Also do your own analysis as well. And yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and do follow me on my Twitter for latest updates. And if you want to trade crypto, the Stellar, Chainlink, Bitcoin, any crypto you want to trade, you can do that on Bybit easily. Free account opening, link is in the description. You can also get $30,000 gift for free, so do head to my description and create an account for free. And yes, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you understand the trade logic and everything. See you guys next time.